Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take off Ram 2500 windshield wipers step by step. Park the truck on a level surface and turn off the ignition. Lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks. Locate the release tab at the blade's base, press it firmly, and slide the blade off the hook. Inspect the arm and clean contact points before fitting a new blade or reattaching the original assembly to ensure secure operation. Support the wiper arm during blade removal to prevent sudden snapping into the windshield. If the blade is tight, wiggle the release tab while applying steady pressure. For hooked arms, rotate the blade slightly and slide outward. For pin arms, compress the clip and pull the blade free. After removal, check the blade connection and rubber for wear so you can choose the correct replacement and avoid streaking or damage. Quick favor, if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a compact, leak-resistant bottle that fits cup holders and toolboxes. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. I appreciate every viewer. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Align the new blade with the arm's hook or pin and slide it into place until you hear a firm click. Lower the arm gently onto the windshield to seat the blade and test smooth travel across glass. Run the wipers with washer fluid to confirm full coverage and no skipping. If noise or streaking occurs, recheck attachment or consider a different blade style for improved performance and longevity today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.